Making money online is a topic that many people are interested in today. The reasons for this include the widespread use of the internet, opportunities for working from home, and the availability of different business models. Social media influencing is one of these business models and is particularly popular on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Social media influencing allows an individual or a brand to earn money by leveraging their influence over their followers. This influence can take many forms, such as directing followers to purchase a product or service, providing information on a topic, or spreading a message. Social media influencers make sponsorship deals with brands and receive payment in exchange for their influence. Sponsorship deals involve a brand having their product or service promoted to the social media influencer's followers. This promotion can be in the form of a photo, video, or written content. The social media influencer recommends or promotes the brand's product or service to their followers and receives payment in return. Sponsorship deals are also beneficial for brands because they can reach their target audience more easily through social media influencers. Social media influencers are paid different amounts based on their number of followers and influence. These payments can be made per post or over the course of a contract. Social media influencers can also promote their own brands or products and make money this way. To become a social media influencer, it is important to first build a following. This involves sharing content on a topic of interest, interacting with followers, and providing high-quality content. Social media influencers must also display a personality that inspires trust in their followers and fosters engagement. Sponsorship deals involve brands making deals with social media influencers to reach their following. It is a common practice for influencers to promote brands' products or services. These deals act as a bridge between influencers and brands, providing a great opportunity for brands to promote their products or services. In addition to sponsorship deals, there are other ways that influencers can make money through their accounts. For example, platforms like Instagram and YouTube allow influencers to earn ad revenue based on the number of views their videos receive. Influencers can also sell ad space on their websites or blogs. To become successful social media influencers, individuals may need to do many things to gain popularity. Since having a high number of followers is important criteria for brands, newcomers usually use specific strategies to increase their follower count. For example, focusing on a particular niche to attract their target audience, sharing interesting content, and increasing interactions can be useful strategies. Those who want to become social media influencers should first focus on developing a unique style and personality within a specific niche. Additionally, they can increase their following by sharing content that appeals to their target audience. For instance, sharing content related to fitness and healthy living can attract a following interested in these topics. To increase engagement, influencers can respond to comments and likes from their followers, organize interactive events, and host competitions and giveaways. This can create a bond between the influencer and their followers and increase engagement. Therefore, it is important for social media influencers to establish a unique and engaging personality, as well as share high-quality content that resonates with their target audience. To monetize their social media presence through sponsorships, influencers need to work with brands that align with their values and have a good reputation. They should also prioritize building a strong personal brand that inspires trust and respect from their followers. There are many opportunities for social media influencers to make money, and to maximize these opportunities, they need to share original and engaging content that increases their followers and establish a strong personal brand that attracts sponsorships from reputable brands. By working with suitable brands, creating high-quality content, and engaging with their followers, social media influencers can build a successful long-term career on social media. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.